everyone! Today we're going to learn shapes in natural. So let's start. This is a cube. This is a cuboid. This is a square. This is a rectangle. This is a pyramid. This is a triangle. This is a diamond. This is the oval. This is the oval, and I called as egg. Yeah. This is the circle. This is the cylinder. This is a cone. This is a sphere. This is a torus. This is a pentagon. And this is a hexagon. Thank you for watching our video. See you next time. Bye.